Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my daughter's long bum length hair, to be exact, wash day routine. As always, get a drink, get comfortable and enjoy. So right now what I'm doing is unraveling my daughter's chunky twist. So overnight I did a pre-poo, so an overnight pre-poo with avocado oil. So as I mentioned, I'm just unraveling her twist so I can proceed with wash day. So now I am fully saturating her hair with warm water. I'm doing this just to rinse away some of the oil from her hair and also to give her hair a bit more flexibility, making it easy for me to work with. Now of course when her hair is wet like this, her hair is at its weakest, so you're going to see me very shortly apply some conditioner to her hair just to make it even more easier to work with. The first step in my daughter's wash day routine is to detangle and then twist. And I like to detangle her hair with a rinse out conditioner, particularly herbal essences or rinse out conditioner. It's amazing for her hair. It's an oldie but goodie, and that's what I love to use to detangle her hair. So right now what you see me doing is sectioning off her hair. I get very overwhelmed very easily, very quickly. So for wash day, especially when her hair is wet, her hair tends to swell, it gets bigger and fuller. So to avoid overwhelm and just a tangled mess, I like to section off her hair into workable sections. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to section her hair into 3 sections and then I'll work in smaller subsections. So I'm applying the rinse out conditioner to these sections, and the reason why I'm doing this now in bigger sections is because I want it to marinate while I am sectioning off the other section. So by the time I get back to this section, it would have been soften up it would have softened up, and it would be much more manageable and easier to work with. And the reason why I just love using rinse out conditioners to detangle my daughter's hair is because it provides a lot of slip, especially this herbal essence one. It provides really good slip. I'm able to detangle her hair with ease, especially when the hair is wet, when it's most vulnerable, more prone to breakage when it's wet. Applying a rinse out conditioner just makes everything better. It helps with combability. It helps just to get through the hair without causing unnecessary breakage. Let me share something with you real quick. One of the secrets to my daughter's long natural hair is the fact that she has an effective regime in place. Mamas, if you don't have an effective regime in place for your little one, you're playing yourself. I know you want that length for your little one too, so click the link below this video and download your free guide. So what you see me doing now is splitting her hair into smaller subsections, making it easy for me to finally detangle her hair. So before I use any tools, I like to finger detangle my daughter's hair first. So I finger detangle to remove any knots or tangles first, and then I will use my favorite detangling brush by Felicia Leatherwood, which you're going to see shortly, to further detangle her hair and to remove any shed hair. So whenever I use any tools on my daughter's hair, like a brush like this Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush or a wide tooth comb, for example, I always start from the ends, working my way up just to avoid any kind of breakage. I mean, in my household, we are about retaining length. So anything I can do to keep hold of that growth, I'm going to do that. So I'm done with detangling her hair and it's all in twists. As you can see, they were in sections in the twist. I'm just taking down all the sections and now I am rinsing her hair off with warm water. The second step of my daughter's wash day routine is to shampoo her hair in the same twist. I like to use Tresemme Naturals Cleanse and Replenish shampoo to clarify her hair. So today is actually her clarifying wash day. It is a sulfate based shampoo. So again, I only use this to clarify her hair every 4 to 6 weeks. So this isn't her everyday regular shampoo. No, I use this just to clarify hair, to remove stubborn buildup and just build up in general. Now, as you can see, I'm using a spray bottle to target her scalp. Now, this is one of the reasons why I love working in twisted sections, because I'm able to get to her scalp easily. She has a lot of hair, so working in the twisted sections helps me to really target the spray, the nozzle on her scalp, to remove the buildup from her scalp as well. Healthy scalps means healthy hair growth, so keep the scalp clean and it will thank you, trust me. Don't forget to download your free guide, How to Create an Effective Regime for Your Child. Everyone needs to have an effective regime in place if you want to see length retention, moisture retention, and overall healthy hair. So this guide is going to help you do exactly that. So click the link in the description box under the video and you can get access to this. So the last step is to deep condition, and you guessed it, deep condition in the same twists. Now the reason why I do this is because I've spent a lot of time detangling her hair. I'm not about to let it get tangled up again. Now mind you, just in case you're wondering if you're able to shampoo and deep condition well in the twist, yes you absolutely can. Now as you can see, as I'm applying the deep conditioner to her hair, I like to squeeze it into her hair, and the reason why I squeeze it into her hair, make sure that it covers all the strands really well. So when I finally do unravel her twist, when I am moisturizing it, her hair feels amazing because it has been deep conditioned well, shampooed well, and of course I am able to rinse her hair well. Even in the twist, I take my time to really make sure everything comes out. So once I'm done deep conditioning, I will put a conditioning cap on her head, and then I'll leave the deep conditioner in her hair for about 15, maximum 30 minutes. Let that marinate for some time, work its magic, and then once that's done, I will rinse and then I will moisturize her hair. Now when I moisturize her hair, I do take the twist out, moisturize it, and then style it however I feel like styling, mainly twists or plaits, to be honest. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful, mamas. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with anyone you feel may benefit from watching. And don't forget to comment below and let me know if you found it helpful. See you in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.